Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Kia Sportage 4. Now of course you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear now, we also have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top here. Then coming into the tailgate, as you can see, we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You've also got the protective boot mat as well, just to preserve the carpet that is underneath. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth interior with Isofix mounting point to the bottom, electric windows all around, keyless entry and start, heated rear seats and heated front seats. And then coming inside, we have your drive select, parking sensors off, parking camera, so you can see that you do have the full 360-degree view. Got your auto hold and hill descent, automatic gearbox, engine stop start, heated steering wheel and heated front seats are just there. A little bit of additional storage for your phone, and then we have your climate control settings, as you do have full climate control. You can also control that via the touchscreen display just here. Then we have your satellite navigation. We've also got Bluetooth hands-free within here, along with your various media sources, which you can see, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your volume and track select in the middle, your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. You've got your source just here, so you can cycle between, oh sorry, no, that is to control whatever you would like that to. Then over to the right hand side, we have your cruise control settings with your lane keep assist and distance control. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Kia has done 17,492 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.